again, when we speak English, let's think of it this way. You are run after by a gang, a group of criminals, and you are running and they are running after you. If you stop, they are going to catch you. But the purpose is not to be caught. The purpose is to keep running. So you reach to a fork road. This is what we call a fork road. Fork that has many directions, one to the right, one to the left, one or two ahead of me. If I keep pausing and not moving at that point, I will be caught. But if I take any direction, I'll keep moving and I'll keep running. And eventually I'll make them lose me, or I'll just be lost in a forest or somewhere. And that is essentially what speaking is. Running, and some people are running after you to catch you, but that's exactly what I want you to do. Don't stop, but take different roads and routes. When you speak English, that is one way that you keep your language flowing to this point. So I'm commenting on this just because I noticed that you get stuck frequently on words that it will give you some good feeling if you say the meaning of in Arabic and in English, because your mind is producing Arabic content and then you are filtering that into English. So this filter probably should be reprocessed or updated in a point that we got to think of the way we say things in English, the way English speakers say what they want to say. Or we become translators and translate literally everything. Going back to this office that we have digressed to talk about, and we just went off the road, off the track of our main purpose of our discussion for tonight.
No. Yes.
That I have, because in our meeting of tonight, I thought of discussing a few things relevant to Power of Habit and podcast and top questions and what you did in our last meeting, and check on you to see the list of vocabulary that you have amassed. Mass, ed, amassed. Write it down. A and M-A-S-S-E-D. Mass اللي هي كتلة. Amassed. A-M-A-S-S-E-D. That means the kind of words that you've collected.